close. Full collection of what I have right now in my 2008 makeup collection. It's very little. I do not have as much as I used to. I did declutter quite a bit. I did record some, but most of it I just ended up taking it out and just giving it to my sisters. All my makeup goes to my family. I do not give it to anybody else. I'm sorry, but I just don't. I mean, every once in a while I'll send something to Valerie if she really wants it or something she likes, but most of the time it just goes to my sisters. But here we go. I'm gonna turn you around and we're gonna go. Alright, so right here, this is my, I got this, it's a metal paper holder, and I got this and it holds all of my palettes. This is all I have right here. There's not, I think there's just some Almay, whatever this is, makeup eraser sticks, and my battery powered thing back down there. There's my Tarte palette, one of them, and then I have a Bare Minerals Invisible Light. I really don't know if I like this. I was actually going to declutter it. The Tarte Amazonian Rainforest After Dark. This is my favorite palette from Tarte. The Anastasia Moonchild. I'm not a big fan of this. I actually tried to get rid of it, but no one wanted it. The Supernova BH Cosmetics palette. I actually don't want this one either, but I'm keeping it for now. That's all that's on that second shelf, and the rest are up here. Right now I have Naked Heat, Naked 3. I have a Z palette full of like bronzers and stuff like that. I have this Blink, it's kind of dirty, BoxyCharm electric palette, and then I have the electric palette from Urban Decay. I have the Smoke palette. I have the Moon or After Dark palette. I have the Chocolate Bar, which I absolutely love this one. I want the gold one too. I'm trying to finish it up. This is the Pulp Fiction Urban Decay. I'm almost done with that one. I have this, which I've talked about this before, a palette I built from Urban Decay. I have the Gwen Stefani palette, and I have the Urban Decay Vice palette. I don't know which one this is. And then I have the Moondust palette, which I absolutely love. If you can tell what my favorite brand is, if you can't, then you haven't been watching my channel long enough. Then I colored all of this stuff the same color because this stuff was clear. Up here is pretty much all my lipsticks. It's MAC, Urban Decay, Rimmel, Smashbox, Clinique, and Bite Beauty. And then 2 sharpeners right here. First drawer, I have all my pigments. I have a roll pigment, the MAC pigments, and then the rest of these. This is a MAC pigment, but I took it out of the case. It's just a glitter. And then these Wet n Wild pigments that they did for us. I don't know, some collection. This other drawer has the cream shadows I have. This is all I have. No, that's not true. That's all I have. I have the Hello Kitty, 2 Hello Kitties, 1 gold one, which I absolutely love this shade, Cheap Date. And then Revlon, I love these. These are the Color Stay cream eyeshadows, purple and gold. 710, 740. I don't have a lot of cream shadows. I have a few cream sticks, but these are all the drugstore eyeshadows I have, and 1 MAC eyeshadow. L'Oreal, Wet n Wild, Elf, Sona Kesha, and then the Troll one. I have, oh that's not true, I have these single eyeshadows, but these are pressed pigments, and these are my absolute favorite. I would never get rid of these. I need the one that I used up. This is Internal Sunshine Amber Rush. It's a gold one, or a blue one, purple one, and a charcoal one. No, what is this? Gilded Envy. And then I have a green one. I want to buy one more. It's the one I used up. These are my eye primers. This is all I have. This is the NYX Glitter, and then the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm using this one up, then I'm going to buy the Milani, and then that's it. I will not have any other eye primers. That's all I'm going to have. This is my face primers that are strictly small. MAC Prep and Prime, Strobe Cream, Makeup Forever. I have a lip thing in here. I just put that in here. And a Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I need to use this up. That is all that's in these drawers. Over here I had these like colored makeup brush holders. I glued them together and painted them this color. So yeah, this is a little tray. This has my mascara. My mascara that I'm using right now, a NARS Single Shadow in Dion. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if I can open it up with one hand. There it is. Really pretty. Elf eyebrow stuff, and my Urban Decay brow powder, and then some kind of serum that I haven't used up yet. And this little thing, I have my Duo Glow Super Goop CC Cream, and my matte, oh, that's where that is, the Bite Beauty lip thing. My foundations, I literally have 3, number 7 Boots, number 7, Marc Jacobs, and a e.l.f. foundation. Over here, I have MAC setting sprays, Milani, and Wet n Wild. That's all I have. There are a few more lip products back here, Revlon, and, what's this? Juicy Beauty. My eye twisters. Concealers, I only have 2, or 3. Some more Bite Beauty, and then back here, as you can see, there's my mirror. And around my mirror, I have butterflies and flowers. I did glue those on. And I have, like, little lights that go through it. I did that myself. This is an old mirror that I bought from someone, and then I just put it with this. This is what my table looks like, and it's dirty, so anyways. Back here are my eyebrow products, like, and cream shadows. I have, like, literally 5 cream shadows, and that's it. Back here is the rest of my collection right here. This was black, and I spray painted it rose gold. Oh, thanks for lying down. Okay, so these are my primers. I have more than I want. Okay, so I have the Peter Tom Ross 24 Gold primer. I have the e.l.f. primer, just the mineral infused. The Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Stick Hourglass. The full size of the Estee Edit Pore Vanishing Stick. And then I have the miniature one, which I need to finish up. Excuse me. If you've been watching my channel long enough, you know I will always have this in my collection. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, the MAC Trolls. I love this as a blush topper. A NYX taupe blush, but I use it for contouring when I do contour. The Hourglass bronzer, I'm going to use this during the summer. If I don't use it, it's going out of my collection. The MAC bronzer, I kept that because it's just Star Trek, but I also like it. And then this is a MAC blush. I don't even know what. Trophy. It's a Pro Matte Face Powder. This is the Urban Decay Naked Light Finishing Powder. I absolutely love this. And then the Milani powder, face powder. I have 3 highlighters. Yeah, I know, highlighter, 3 highlighters. Becca Opal, the gold highlighter, which I'll never get rid of, and the Urban Decay Sen, which I absolutely love. I actually decided today I like that. These are my blushes. I have the Pacifica Duo. I have 1 Milani Rose blush, which I absolutely love this one. This is Blossom Time Rose. I have 2 of the Urban Decay blushes. Those are my favorite. I'll never get rid of those. I'm just going to put them over here for now. This is the Clinique Pop, which I actually want 1 more shade of these. This one's Cola Pop. I want a lighter shade because that one's hard to wear in the summertime. This is Becca... what is this? The Becca, it's blushes. Oh, what does it say? Blushed with Light Blush Trio Palette. It has Wisteria, Songbird, and... I don't think that's how you say that. Snapdragon. And it looks like that. I love these blushes. They're absolutely fabulous. So that's my collection, and then I have a eyelash curler in there from NYC. And that's pretty much it. And then I have my face brushes in this Hello Kitty thing. It doesn't match my collection, but I don't really care because I love this and it was from a friend and I will keep that forever and ever. So yeah, that's all my collection, guys. I mean, it's not very much. I know it's not a lot. But I'm happy with this amount, and I can, when I go through some more stuff, I'll come back and maybe buy a few things. I want to get at least through 2 palettes, 2 small palettes, and then I will buy a new one. I want the Urban Decay chocolate dipped, or whatever it is. It's not chocolate. The gold one. I really like that. My table is disgusting. You might see a part of that, but I need to clean it. I'm fixing to do that. And then I have these lip products right there live in my purse. The NARS 2 Bite Beauty and then 2 lip liners. I am trying to use this Milani lip liner because I actually prefer the NYX one, but those live in my purse. And then I have the Ulta Beauty, the thing that it's called like the shadow switch pan. I have that. And I have some mints in case I have bad breath. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!